everyone, I'm Marian, and today I'm so excited to be chatting with Miss Emeline and one of our amazing remote team members from the Philippines. So we wanted to give you a real look into what is actually like working with us behind the scenes. So hello, Miss Emeline.
Hi. Hello.
Okay, so to start with, Miss Emeline, can you tell us your name and what city or province you're currently calling your home right now?
I'm Emeline. I am currently residing in Cebu, Philippines.
Okay, that's great. Bisaya today si Miss Emeline. So I'm also a Bisaya, so we
Yeah.
truly understand each other. So,
Yeah.
how was your work, Miss Emeline, before joining True Media LLC family?
I work in a corporate industry as a data analyst for 10 years, but unfortunately, the company has decided to shut down its operation. That's when I decided to transition into a remote work.
Oh wow! So, this is your first time working remotely.
Yeah, this is my first time.
Oh wow, that's great. So, where did you first hear Miss Emeline about True Media LLC? Is it through social media or referral from a friend or any of it?
It's through social media sa Instagram and Facebook. Nakita ko siya dun yung ads nila. So I tried to apply and then dun nagtuloy-tuloy na yung application process.
Wow, ang ganda naman. So, me as well, nakita ko rin yung this company with social media. So, it's really a big help.
Mm.
Social media talaga is a big help. So, when you read our job post, Miss Emeline, what was the one thing that caught your eye and made you say, okay, I have to apply for this?
It's the no experience needed and then flexible hours siya. So dun ako try ko to kasi I can work anywhere and anytime.
I understand. I agree with it na tumatanggap talaga yung company with no
Mm.
experience. Yun
Yeah.
yung talaga yung maganda. Lalo na transitioning from corporate job to work from.
Yes.
I agree with it. So, in regards with the hiring experience, how would you describe our hiring process? Was it like stressful, smooth, or like somewhere in between?
Actually, smooth yung hiring process sa akin. First, yung orientation, I was assigned for a chatter at first. And then unfortunately, hindi ako nakapasa doon. So they decided me to transfer to another job. So yun, in-interview ako ulit ni Miss Mary. And after that, na-hired na ako dun after that interview.
Okay, so that's good thing of the company is because if you are not or you're not going to pass with the certain role, hindi ka nila iiwan, hindi nila tayo iniiwan.
Yes, that's true.
New task. So it's
Mm.
really a good thing with the company as well. So did the instruction and the interview steps like feel clear to you as you went through them?
Yes, clear yung instructions talaga. And then si Miss Mary naman is kausap mo is very parang hindi ka nahiya. Usap ka lang sa kaibigan mo ganun. So you don't feel like uncomfortable talaga.
I agree with it. Miss Mary is really approachable talaga. So
Mm.
what was the most surprising part of the interview process for you?
It takes only 15 minutes. Usually kasi yung ibang company it would take like 30 or more. So yun yung nakapag-surprise sa akin at saka yung interviewer very friendly talaga siya. So you won't feel like nervous at all.
I agree. I agree with that. So, alam ko na madali lang talaga. Madali lang makapasok sa company, guys. So, you don't need to hesitate kasi as Miss Emeline can vouch that na it only takes her like 15 minutes with the interview and voila. Ayan.
Yeah.
So, in regards with your day-to-day BA work right now with the company, what type of tasks, Miss Emeline, do you usually tackle in your role right now?
Actually, I'm handling video editing and also graphic designing. So usually ako yung nag-edit sa mga interview videos like this one. So ako yung mga nag-edit. So yun yung trabaho ko for the moment.
So, alam niyo na guys, why we have like good quality videos as well because Miss Emeline is the backbone of that one. So, that's why. So, thanks to Miss Emeline. So, since you've been transitioning, you just transitioned from corporate job to working remotely. What do you think is one skill do you feel has been leveled up the most since your transition and since you started here, Miss Emeline?
Actually, yung video editing, hindi ko talaga inisip na I have creativity in me. So, yung nag-transition ako dito, doon ko nalaman na meron pala akong ganitong skills because of this company.
I agree. Nalalabas talaga yung tunay nating galing with this company. Kasi hindi lang tayo nag-stick with one. They will introduce us to any different role na capable pa rin tayo. So, it's a good
Yes.
thing na-level up ni Emeline yung skill with video editing. So, thank you so much for that. In regards with, it's very important to have a work-life balance in a company. So, what's one thing you truly love about working with True Media LLC family?
I would say na hindi ko na kailangan gumising ng maaga and then magko-commute, yung mga ganun nga mga scenario sa corporate job. So, ngayon, I just have to wake up and then log in sa laptop ko. And then yun, start na yung trabaho ko. Hindi ko na kailangan maligo or mag-makeup and magsuot ng mga magagandang damit. So, hassle kasi.
True. It's really like time consuming naman talaga pag commute especially
Mm.
kapag malayo yung office natin. So work from home
Yeah.
is a good chance for us to spend time with our family as well. So that's
Yeah,
good
that's true.
thing. And
Mhm.
I see that you really enjoy working from home right now. So
Yes.
right now, since you're working remotely naman, has working remotely changed your daily routine or your lifestyle for the better?
Yes, of course. Kasi dati I used to wake up early like 4 a.m. para sa job ko. And then I have to, kasi mga 2 hours almost kasi yung travel from work to home. So ngayon, hindi ko na kailangan gawin yun kasi nasa bahay na lang ako. So parang marami na akong time sa sarili ko and sa family ko.
Wow, grabe naman yung 2 hours. So sobrang hindi naman sa malayo yung office, pero yung traffic din nakaka-affect.
Yes.
So yun
Mhm.
din. So I'm really glad na we are able to be part of the team na working remotely. And ito na tayo ngayon. So
Yes.
since alam naman natin na remote work no requires a lot of tasks. And
Mhm.
since we are just working remotely, wala tayo sa isang office, hindi natin alam kung ano ginagawa ng teammates natin. So how do
Yes.
you, your manager or your teammate, stay on the same page without being on the same?
We used Slack for communication as well as WhatsApp. So doon natin i-update kung ano a-absent ka ba ngayon or mag-leave or half yung mga ganun. And regarding sa payroll din natin, doon din natin sinisend dun sa Slack. So malaking tulong talaga si Slack at si WhatsApp for communication.
True. And I do believe then it's good no na communication talaga really builds trust. One way to build trust is through communication. So with the
Yes.
help of the system, meron tayong Slack to communicate with our team, especially with the payroll guys, kasi yun naman talaga.
Yeah.
So we do have like that communicate with other teammates. So I love hearing all of your daily wins, Miss Emeline. So but let's talk about the big picture, the bigger picture of it. So I know there are lots of remote jobs out there, but why should a high level professional choose our company through Media LLC over any other company?
It's probably because the working environment kasi hindi siya toxic, very supportive and respectful yung mga team natin. And as well as there is a career growth opportunities. At saka you will get raised if you work very hard and you will get appreciated pag nakagawa ka ng mga magagandang bagay.
I agree with that. So hindi talaga, pag meron tayong ganong work experience, no, work environment, hindi siya nakaka-burn out. So it will help us to para bang ilabas yung tunay nating galing kapag meron tayong supported environment. So
Yeah.
we here at True Media LLC, we do have like a standard of excellence. And that's what we aim for. That was the goal. And finally, how was your life, not just your career, but your actual life improved since the day you signed your contract with us?
Nag-light yung life ko kasi dati stress yung maraming mga pimples sa mukha kasi nga burnout ganoon. So ngayon parang medyo nagbo-bloom na tayo ng konti. Hindi na siya stressful. So yeah, it improves talaga sa personal life ko working as remotely.
Ayan, nakaka-glow up talaga. Nakaka-glow up guys, lalo na kapag we belong to a community or a family that really supports us. That's really
That's
important to find, especially working from home or working remotely. Since you've
Yes.
mentioned that na alam naman natin, a corporate job can really be stressful, no? And
Yes.
sometimes working remotely or remote work can sometimes feel lonely. So how does True Media LLC make you feel like you're part of a real family or you're part of a real team?
It's because of Slack. Every day, I communicate with Anna and other team members na collaboration. So, hindi ko talaga na-feel na I am lonely kasi nandyan sila, supportive if ever I have questions.
I agree, since communication is really important to build trust.
Yes.
So, to have a community that really supports you. Ayan. So, thank you so much for that. And also, Miss, I know that we have like a certain task in each of us. So, is there like a teammate who has really helped you or mentored you since you've joined the team?
At first, it was Felipe talaga kasi siya yung nag-train talaga sa akin on how to do some graphic designs and video editing. So, nag one-on-one talaga kami video call about it. At so, doon ako parang yung skills ko nag-level up at that point. And then after that, with Miss Anna and hindi ako na-feel na I'm so lonely and alone na parang iniwanan ako sa ere, ganun. So, yun yung talaga na-appreciate ko sa company na to.
True. Especially know that Miss Emeline just transitioned and new skill niya yung pag-edit or video editing. So it's really good thing na Philip, Miss Anna, and Miss Nini really help you to para malabas yung skill na yon na tinatago lang pala sa baon.
Yeah.
Hindi lang tayo like parang okay, sabak agad sa gera, train din tayo. So
Yes, that's true.
And also we all have like dream. We have a career path to take on. Before you found this company, our company True Media LLC, what was your biggest challenge with work and how did joining us help solve that?
Yung commute talaga, Kasi mahirap talaga mag-commute everyday eh. Kasi dati talaga yung sinasabi ko, gumigising ako ng 4 a.m., uuwi ako ng 8 a.m. So most of my time nasa work talaga. So wala na akong parang walang work-life balance talaga yung life ko dati. So ngayon na nasa remote na ako with LLC Group, may work-life balance na talaga ako. May time na ako sa sarili ko, may time na ako sa family ko, at saka sa hobby ko kung ano yung mga gusto kong gawin. Yun talaga.
Yeah, it's really important, to have like a self-care, ganon.
Mm.
So matanong ko, how do you spend your, right now, since it's really helpful now, we are working remotely na, how do you spend your recharge time now that you don't have to deal with like a long commute or traffic?
I watch Netflix movies, yung mga K-drama, C-dramas, kahit yung mga ganun. And then also, gardening na ako, nagtatanim na ako ng mga different plants. So, yun yung mga parang recharge ko. Pag nakita ko yung mga plants ko talaga na magaganda yung tubo.
Well, parang nakaka-fulfill naman yun sa mind, no? Na
Yes.
we have something to do outside of work pala, not just commuting and wasting our time, especially with commute. And since here that you've mentioned that we have like me time now since we are working remotely, and we talk a lot about our future, no? So, if you had to describe the leadership style of True Media LLC in one sentence, what would it be?
It's a very supportive and respectful work environment. Yung mga managers natin and also yung mga owners, very approachable, friendly. So, hindi ka matatakot na magtanong kung ano yung gusto mong itanong. Tsaka, if ever may mga problems ka with regards sa trabaho mo or sa payroll mo or anything na may problema ka sa schedule. So, yun probably yung na-appreciate ko sa company to. Kasi hindi kami na micromanage kasi hinahayaan ka lang na magtrabaho.
I agree with it, guys. Nagba-vouch talaga si Miss Emily, no, na this company, True Media LLC, has been very supportive talaga. Has been very supportive in every agent, not just merong pinipili, but lahat ng agents, they are very supportive, especially with the owners.
Yes, that's true.
Silang sila ma-contact with us. So, a lot of people, no, worry about stability of remote work. Alam naman natin na it's very risky to transition with corporate to remote work. And in your experience, Miss, what makes you feel secure at home here?
I feel secure kasi yung company kasi natin hindi tayo mina-micromanage, and if you've been hardworking, yung mga task mo na complete mo, hindi mo na kailangan parang may binibigyan kanila ng chance na you get raise, you get promoted, yung ganun. Pag nagtatrabaho ka talaga ng maayos, yung hindi mo talaga hinahiyaan na magulo yung trabaho mo, yung ganun.
I agree with it. Kasi dito naman talaga sa True Media LLC with our company, hindi lang basta thank you, nag-credit talaga
Yes.
natin. And it's really
Yes.
important for us to feel appreciated. It's really important na every day we feel appreciated with our work. Hindi lang, okay, sige, go lang, ganun.
Yes.
But feel it na our work has been appreciated. And it's really important with our day-to-day job, no? And so thank you for that, no, Miss Emily. So right now, we are in the part, we're having a quick fun, lighting round. So tinatawag itong lighting round. So it's like a fast talk. So you just don't think, just answer. Okay?
Okay.
You're just gonna choose one. Okay, are you ready?
I am.
Okay, so let's start. Laptop or second monitor?
Laptop.
Next, morning shift or night shift?
Morning shift.
So it's important, guys. Right now, it's morning shift. You can choose it morning or night shift. And coffee, tea, or energy drink?
Tea.
Oh, wow. Tea.
Yeah.
Pati ako, coffee before work.
Hindi kasi ako nagko-coffee.
Okay, I see. Next, music, silence, or background noise while working?
Music.
Next, camera on or camera off for meetings?
On.
Syempre, guys, camera on.
Yes.
Next, one word that best describes working at True Media LLC.
One word. It's probably not toxic environment. Yun talaga.
I agree with it. Not toxic. Not toxic. So last and final, work desk. About our work desk. Is it messy or perfectly clean?
Perfectly clean.
So perfectly clean work desk really help us to make more organized rin.
Yes, that's true.
So much for that, Miss Emeline. I really enjoyed talking with you, and maraming salamat. It ends here with our testimonial. And ayun, thank you so much, Miss Emeline, for being open and sharing your experience with True Media LLC family. We really love hearing real stories from our amazing members like Miss Emeline, and stories like yours really help people see what remote works is truly like. And for everyone who's watching, if you enjoyed this interview, please make sure to LSC. Like, share, subscribe, and comment on our videos. Your support really means a lot. Thank you so much, Miss Emeline, once again. And
Thank
we're really
you.
happy to be part of our team. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.